So I like it a little bit, and I want to do some scalping here because we're not still in the 930 kill zone, but I'm gonna do some scalping over here. Firstly, let me jump in with a small,
Order filled.
okay, and I want it to come in the on the middle of this FEG, and I'm gonna long it again. This is an eval, guys, so if you're thinking DCA, this is an eval, so don't worry. Come on.
Order filled.
Okay, let's see how this small scalp will go. Looking for a quick buck here. Already in some profit. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Five, four, three, two, one, and go.
Order filled.
Okay, close for around $100, but I think it would still go at the top. Okay, yeah, it's already gone there. But yeah, it was a scalp because we are not in the 930 kill zone. So the reason behind this scalp, well, because it went into this FEG, came out, created an FEG, showing that bulls are in charge. And now we can see already if I kept the trade, it would still be very likely that it would hit the CE of this candle. I'm fairly sure about that. But yeah, because we're not in the kill zone, so I'm not trying to be the boss. Okay. So this was the bullish candle before the liquidity was taken. So this was um, my candle or my line of entry. So here I entered, it came back, gave me an entry, and went back up. Well, this is my way of trading. I will not say that this is 100% ICT or any other um, thing, but this is how I trade. Sometimes, not always, but sometimes I trade like this because I have seen it work so many times over and over again. So yeah, a quick spot scalp was good. I could have, I would have liked to get some more out of it, but yeah, and it's already kind of squeezing in, and it might break to the downside or to the upside, probably to the upside. Yeah, it can break to the upside, but yeah, no confirmations on that. It can also break to the downside. I would like it to break to the downside so that we get another chance of entering once it is inside the kill zone, right? Once we are inside the kill zone. So yeah, I lost some money yesterday. Now I am back on 49. This is an eval, so yeah, I'm trying my best to you know make some buck in here and pass it, and then I would trade on a sim funded account, but yeah, so far it's been okay, it's been good, no problems. You can see, because it's not in the kill zone, it's not in the 930. See how it just it's not doing anything, right? Something like this is happening over here. A pennant or whatever we call it. But what is going to happen is going to burst to the downside or to the upside. That's what is going to happen for sure. And it's going to go, looks like it's going to head to the downside. And I would allow it to go to the downside. Just because, we are not in the kill zone. If we would have been in the kill zone, that I would have preferred to be in the trade. I would have not closed it so early. Okay. So yeah, these are some trend lines that I sometimes use. Hmm. Oh hell, they're bearish, man. Bearish, bearish, bearish. This is the 1 hour FEG where it went, and then I would like, this is the, after this line we're into the discount, and this is the middle of this FEG, 4 hour FEG. So I would like it to, it came near to the CE of the 1 hour FEG and then came back up. So it's quite obvious, and that's why I went into the trade. Otherwise, if it would have formed outside of the 1 hour FEG, I would have not. I would have hesitated to trade it. I may have traded it, but I would have hesitated a great deal. Plus, my lot sizes would have been much smaller. So yeah, so far for the day we have been, where it is, $320 in profit. Yesterday was a pretty bad day. I was doing really really good. I mean, around $1,000. I was $1,000 up, but then, oh, I went I went crazy on my, uh, I went crazy with doing a lot of trades. But this is what I am, why I'm doing a live stream, just to be, um, just to be disciplined, and to be, I think I will be more disciplined, and I would be cautious not to do, um, not to enter bad trades, and I would be cautious with my lot sizes more. So this is the day for me, $320. I think it's a pretty decent day. 10 days, 320 is 3,000, so we achieve our target. But yeah, so far I have been blowing accounts on MFFU, my funded futures. I basically, um, got funded many many times with Apex, but passing an eval on MFFU is more difficult than Apex because of the lot size difference. So you have very high lot sizes available on Apex, and you can just trade them and get out of get out of the eval as soon as possible. But here you have to have patience, which doesn't come easy. So this is the drawdown, $1,400 left. Um, I will try to, you know, I'll try to pass this challenge and see how that goes. And you are in with me for a long haul. And I wish to be on the leaderboard someday on Apex, on MFFU. I don't even know how to see a leaderboard in MFFU or Apex. But yeah, who cares? Still passing an eval, but I just want to put it out there that someday I want to be the top spot on the leaderboard on Apex or Top Step or whatever firms are out there, and I want to make it. And I think every decision we take here affects us, affects the people that rely on us. So make sure that you are, you know, trading responsibly, um, trading with trading consciously, basically. If you're conscious about your trading, what trades you're taking, what setups you're trading, I think we will be better off. Anyways, so yeah, this is good. This is what I wanted. I wanted it to go back down so that um, we get inside of New York kill zone, which is in around 7 minutes from now. Too many things on the chart just confuses you, so I'm gonna just hide this. Only one indicator right now. What is this thing over here? New York low for the last day. Okay. For the last days here. Mm-mm-mm-mm. So we are doing pretty good. I used to be a price action trader, like, support and resistance and trend lines and different patterns. I would love to trade patterns, especially the triangles. I was really good at it, but then I left trading for some time, and now I'm back. And I want to make it this time because I was motivated by seeing a lot of people out there that are able to do it, and I consider myself to be fairly good with regard to my my overall intelligence or my overall IQ, and I think I can definitely do it. So yeah, come on, take out the low. Okay. So it came back down here. Let's see if there is any. So you can see what's happening here is we have a. Do we have a? No, we don't have an SMT here. We don't have an SMT, okay? But there is something to watch for. Live stream. Okay. Russell. I think this here. Will be pretty good. Sport. This is another scalp right here, but uh, this is okay. It's another scalp, but hmm. Mm-hmm. So I'm guessing once we have market open, I guess it's gonna go down. So I'm gonna enter with just. I don't think I will enter anything because it's showing signs of huge downside right now to me. I don't know. Maybe it's going up, but yeah, you need to be careful when there is market open. And I just want to come back to reality now because I just don't want to enter trades for no reason, and that's been a problem with me. Being entering trades for no apparent reason, and that's the reason I've been losing a lot of accounts. I know how to trade. I've been profitable. I have made around $35,000 on trading gold, and that's the biggest achievement in trading. And I made that with not any prop firm, but with my own money. Like I invested around $2,000 and made around 35. That's the best I have made so far. That's the best. That's only once in a lifetime. I once I have done it only once, not more than that. So, but I guess I can do it again. If I could do it once, I can do it again. But um, yeah, we'll see. Let's see how this goes. Mm-mm-mm. Looks like a jump. No jump. Okay, to the downside we go, which is really good. If we go to the downside, we take out this low, the previous one here. We have to take out this low, the previous one right here. Good. And that's what I wanted. Um, Now I want to see. We're right now inside the FVG, 1 hour FVG, and the 1 hour FVG is nested inside the 4 hour FVG. So let's see if we get a setup. We will love it. Okay, coming back up. What about ES? Oh, ES is not coming back up. So if you want to buy, you need to buy. If you're looking for buying opportunity, definitely NQ, Nasdaq, and then ES. Why? Because it's the weaker pair. As you can see, it's not coming back up. So there is much more power with Nasdaq and Q. Now it's back up, but yeah, this one is still better. NQ is still much better. You can see NQ already making highs, but Um, what I would like it to do is, come on, let's go. Go to the top with an FEG. Then we have this as our breaker block, and that would be perfect for entry. We have a higher time frame POI, we have everything we need. We just want price to do what we want it to do. Okay. Tanya. Tanya trades. So I like Tanya trades. Basically, she is a really good trader. I like her way of trading, and I do watch her streams. Not so much, but a little bit. So I'm trying to open her stream on another machine and see what she is trying to do. Yeah, she's also
I'm
what.
being very careful. It's NFP week. It's a week before elections, and we have a lot of uncertainty. I think trying to be very selective. Um,
Okay.
yeah.
She's
So
trying to be very selective. Okay. She's not gonna
fortunately, price doesn't
basically
do what
trade
you want to do.
much.
So they could take.
So I'm gonna mute her. But I'm watching her stream as well. And there is um, one more live streamer that I really like. I mean, he is really good, and that is Nutty Bar.